Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm sharing with you my dog's all-time favorite dog treats. They're the Nutri freeze-dried beef liver dog treats. She is 5 years old and she's been eating these every year of her life. She loves them now just as much as she loved them the first day, but don't take my word for it. Let's see Gertrude's own opinion. Gertrude, do you want a treat? Oh, you do? Can I see your paw? Can I see your other paw? Oh, sit. Can you sit? There you go. And she loves them. So what I love about these dog treats are the fact that they're just little pieces of freeze-dried beef or cow liver. So there's nothing added to these treats. It's just pure protein. So I love giving these to her knowing that she's not taking any extra grain, corn, sugar, preservatives. It's just protein. So I have no problem giving these to her even daily as a good supplement to her normal dog food. I use them as training aids just to reward her. She loves them. I love giving them to her, and she's a small dog, so I love the fact that they're cut up in really small pieces. So don't take my word for it, take Gertrude's word for it. She loves them. Your dog's gonna love them too. And that's my point of view.